Hey, what's up guys? In this video I will show you how to create an RDP from Google Cloud. My name is Abakar from the Linko group, and some of you guys having issues running Photoshop or other softwares on your phone. So the Google Cloud RDP, let me show an example. Okay, this is how RDP looks like. Okay, you can see this is a full-blown PC. Okay guys, you can install anything on this and use it as a normal PC. Okay, sorry for the background sound please. So first thing you want to do you want to go and sign into Gmail. You want to register the RDP cloud. So I will sign up now. Okay, so I'm gonna sign up to the RDP cloud now. So you will go to cloud.google.com. Okay, you wait for it to load. And next thing you want to do is you click on this try GCP free. Okay, it's free for up to you Google is going to give you. Okay, so you click on the try GCP free. Google is going to give you $300 free for 1 year. It's completely free. You need to add your card, but Google won't charge your card after the free trial. Okay, so let me log in to one of my Gmail here. Okay, okay, and then you log in. Okay, so we go on done, log into our Gmail. Okay, so now when you see this pop-up, you click on not now. Okay, so this page will be pre-filled for you, Nigeria, since you're in Nigeria. Okay, so you click on agree. Okay, these steps you're going to fill your billing information. Okay, it has pre-filled my business information for ads, so I'm gonna edit this. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up and I will resume when I'm done filling this up. Okay guys, after you fill your billing information, sometimes Google might want to verify your billing information. So if Google has to verify your billing information, you just proceed and you verify your billing information. But 90% of times they don't verify billing information. Okay, so I'm just going to proceed to my main Google Cloud account, show you how to create Google Cloud RDP. Okay, so here's my dashboard. So once you are here in your Google Cloud dashboard, just click the menu here. I will recommend, if you are accessing this Google Cloud platform of the first time, you should click on option and click on this desktop site. Okay, if you are on mobile, if you are on desktop, then no need. Okay, okay, so you click on option, compute engine, then VM instance. Okay, VM instance. Okay, so this little blue plus icon here, you press it to make new RDP. If not, if you don't have any RDP, you're going to see blank page and then create new RDP. So let me create a new RDP down here. If you are not seeing this information, just click on this desktop side. Okay, so you're gonna see everything. Okay, so plus, okay, all you need to change. Okay, click on this Debian Gen, you click on change. Okay, you're going to look for Windows RDP data R2 data center with desktop experience. Don't forget server with desktop experience. I'm going to check on that. Then down here you choose SSD. So it's not selecting. This too is no problem, so you can leave that. Make sure you choose Windows Server 2012. This with desktop experience. Okay, so you click on select. That is all you need to do. Okay, and this option here, you can change the RAM. 3.75 gig RAM is enough. You can change it. Just click on customize. Next, click create. So after you create an instance or RDP, I'm gonna give it some few minutes for it to boot up. So you can see the one we created here. So next thing you want to do is you click on this arrow down, then set Windows password. Okay, so let's set username, the Windows just username. Okay, so this username we're gonna use. Click on set. So you're going to get your login password. Okay, alright, the password is done, so you're gonna copy it. Make sure you copy and save the password. Okay, then you close this down, save the password. Remember the username you selected all in one. Next, you're gonna copy the IP address. Okay, this is the IP address, the external IP address. Copy that too. You save. Wow, now you've gotten an RDP. This is your username, the password, and the IP address to log in. Okay, so the next step is the final step is you download this app, Microsoft Remote Desktop, from the Play Store or Apple Store, whichever device you're using. So we're gonna go and click on this plus icon, desktop. First name, you put the IP address there, the IP address, password, you click on the enter every you click on it, add user account. Here you choose the username all in one. Here you enter the password. Okay, you can click on additional settings to give a custom name, so you identify the maybe just say my PC 2 or only one PC, just any name. Okay, you can recognize it if you have a lot of other virtual PC on your phone. So we click on save. Wow, we are ready to connect. Click on connect. Never ask, connect. Alright, we log into our new virtual PC. Oh. Okay guys, so once you click on set Windows password, you choose the username, you click set, you're going to be presented with a password down here. You save the password and the username you choose. Also you copy the IP, the external IP address. Okay, you copy the external IP address, you save the IP address, then you download Microsoft Remote Desktop. Okay, you add it. Okay, you get this step now, right? So I'm doing it again. You add the IP address. Okay, choose the login username. Choose the password. save. Okay, connect. Okay, so once you're here, what you're gonna do is you click on local server, local server. Then you want to switch, you want to click on this I enhance security to off. Click on it. Then you switch it off. Okay, that's the first step you're gonna do. Close it. Now you can find Internet Explorer here. So you can download, if you don't want Internet Explorer, you can download Chrome browser, okay? From then you can download your Microsoft. Let me download Chrome, as an example. Okay, so download. Okay, because I love Chrome so much. Okay, so I'll be using Chrome for browsing. Okay, so after this, you install your Chrome, you can download your Adobe Photoshop CC, whatever software you want. Okay, you can download and use it. Okay, so guys, that's it. Okay, how to create an RDP and use it on your phone. Okay, and this PC will stay on 247. Okay, so let me see Adobe CC free trial. Alright, so here we go. You can download and stuff. So guys, thank you. See you other time.